Hey guys, Andy here. One second, let me fix that. Oh, Christ. Camera doesn't work. This. Hang on. What the fuck? There we go. Is that better? Good. Got two unboxing videos to do. I'll do them separately. First thing is this: the Connect Onn Lightning to USB cable. This works for iPhone, iPod, and iPad. Transfer stable while charging. The basics. Power up. If you're taking the hassle out of charging, simply plug a handy Lightning to USB cable to your Lightning device and silver USB charging port. Not included. I got one right here. Yep, right here. So later I'll be unboxing this. Yep, portable instant power. This is gonna be good. Yep, Better Pack Ultra Slim. So bring this bad boy up. I think it's easy to open the damn thing. Whoa, look at that. 6 feet of charging awesomeness. Let's get this. Alright. Oh yeah, 6 feet. Gotta get this Velcro undone here. What the fuck? What the hell? What the hell? What the shit? There, got this piece of crap off of there. Alright, just gotta get this thing in here. For fuck's sake. There we go. Look at that. Long enough. Alright, just plug it into my phone here. Alright, turns out it fits. Alright, now I gotta get this thing into my charging thing here. Alright, let's find out. Plug it in. Alright, I think it's charging. So anyway, that was the Connect Onn Charging Cable. There you guys have it. See you guys next time. Bye guys, peace out.